How to add temperature on your Instagram story. Instagram has this feature where you can add temperature and other features and other information on your story. So let's see how you can do it. First, you have to access your story section. To do that, just swipe right from your home screen and you will be on the story section right here. From here, I'm just going to choose a background right here. In order to add the story, the temperature, I can just swipe up to access the stickers menu or just tap on this icon right here. And after you have done that, all of these options will pop up, and to choose your temperature, just scroll down and here you will see the search bar at the top, and there you can search for temperature and you'll see all of these GIFs. So you just want to tap on this one. This is not real-time temperature, by the way, so it's just a GIF. Instagram does not have that feature where you can add the actual temperature. You will have to add a GIF, but you can add other stuff like real-time polls, your notification, countdown timers, and stuff like that. But for temperature, you can choose this one and just post your story. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.